India has always fought for greatness. Our scientists have fought to achieve new benchmarks in the field of space exploration. Our athletes have fought to win world recognition. Our brave soldiers on the borders are fighting every day to keep us safe. Even our freedom has been an outcome of a long-fought battle. At Lava, we believe that anything is possible in India today if you have the challenging mindset. Today, the battle is on for your hearts and minds. And the only way to win it is technology. Technology that can create new experiences. Technology that can open up new possibilities. Lava is not new to the fight. Right from day one, we have focused on building capabilities that also help in building India's strengths. As you know, Lava was the first and currently is the only smartphone brand that not just manufactures in India, but also completely designs in India. Our first design in India smartphone, Lava Z1, was launched in January this year, followed by our world's first concept of a smartphone that you design the way you want to meet your unique needs. Lava My Z. Then there was Z Up, where you could upgrade the features of your smartphone even after using it for a while. We also launched an amazing range of accessories like ProBuds, BeFit, and a lot more. Every time, we have tried to outdo ourselves so that you get the best. India's smartphone users inspire us. They are using mobile phones and mobile internet to transform the world. Every aspect of the way we live are 5G contender, ready to fight for India.
Agni 5G brings to life Lava's smartphone vision. World-beating technology accessible for today's Indian customer. At its core is a chipset that has set new standards in smartphone performance. The latest MediaTek Dimensity 810. This state-of-the-art chipset is made using advanced 6nm process technology, and its core frequency of up to 2.4 GHz ensures phenomenal performance, with gigantic 8GB RAM beats lags and jitters to give you a smoother gaming and seamless multitasking experience. Based on the latest creative options, from UHD mode, you can click images in 108-megapixel resolution. Super Night Shot mode with multi-frame noise reduction. AI mode to provide right setting for every scenario. Pro mode with raw image and much more. The Agni's powerful 16-megapixel front camera with 5P lens and AI-enabled portrait and beauty mode is prepared for every occasion. Whether it is artistic self-portraits to liven up your social media feed or video calls for work. The images you capture will surely look 0.78-inch FHD Plus punch-hole IPS display with 90Hz refresh rate, giving you a seamless and smooth experience for gaming and videos.